Oh. Alright, good morning. So this is us now leaving Pattaya, and we are going to head up to Khao Yai National Park. And there's looks like a beautiful winding road that goes right through the middle of the park itself. So we got about a 3-hour ride. It's been a long journey to get to where we are at this point, and we are incredibly excited now to be heading into the hills. Off we go.
This is us leaving the wonder that is Pattaya, and I gotta tell you, I am not sorry to see the back of this place, but it was on the route, and while it's empty of tourists, we thought we'd check out the place and see what it was like. It's not a really enjoyable place to wander around of an evening. Yep, thanks buddy, just pull right in front of me. Yeah, so looking forward to getting out of the city.
We're hoping this road was not as big a motorway that it's actually turned out to be. So we got about 3 hours on this highway. Oh, sorry, undertaking. So we've got about 3 hours going down here until we go to the national park. Not the end of the world, but yeah, it's 3 hours of a highway we weren't really wanting to do. This is slightly annoying. Oof. Well, this is starting to look very promising. Look at these big mountains in front of us. Very excited. Alright, let's see how much we have to pay. Farang price or Thai price? Find out. Ooh. How much here? Couple more cup.
Just entered the Khao Yai National Park. So it looks like a good road and good scenery so far. So looking forward to this. It was a little bit disappointing to have to pay an entrance fee. The Thai people, they get to pay 40 baht to get in. We had to pay 400 baht to get in, plus 30 baht for the motorbikes. However, I've tried to reconcile that in my head with saying, in English money, that's about 10 quid, which I'm happy to pay for.
Stopped off here because we've heard there's a waterfall, so I might as well stop off and check it out.
So this is the Haew Narok Waterfall, something like that, which apparently translates to mean the sunken hole of hell.
Oh, hi monkeys. Hey, oh. Oh, he's a big one. I don't think he likes me. Hi monkey. Oh, hello. Wow, monkey fight. Hey. Baby monkey. Hello monkeys. Look at that little one. See ya. Bloody monkeys everywhere. That road monkeys. Hey, hey, hey. Planet of the Apes. Yeah. Now this is a really good stretch of road.
Sauce is awesome. Spice. Yeah, it's got a kick to it. Like a soy sauce, is that one?
Do you want some rice?
Yeah, why not?
We'll split the rice and we'll split some chicken.
Perfect.
The sauce is good.
That's really good. That's a spicy one.
Right,
That was really good as well.
that's this one.
That's a winner. Thank you.
That's good.
Got a chili oil.
Good food.
I think this is the best food we've had so far. Winning.
Well, that's probably some of the best food we've had so far, actually. Really, really tasty. All for 200 baht. Winning. So, we have got about a hour's drive. We found a little town, not too far away, and it's going in the rough direction that we want to be heading tomorrow. So yeah, we'll blast out a few miles now, hour's drive, and hopefully find a nice little cheap hotel somewhere. Alright, we had to just stop for a second because look at this. You got the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This is incredibly strange. Toscana Valley. What is this place? Wow. And this is in the middle of nowhere. Very random.